Hey everybody, it's John here from Sound Connection. Today we're going to talk about the Compustar Pro 2WG18 remote start. With this, you get your two remote controls. One of them is going to be a two-way remote starter. The other one's going to be a backup one-way for your spare set of keys. So let's talk about your two-way remote starter. What two-way means is when I tap this button to lock, it's going to send a signal out to the vehicle. The vehicle is going to do that function and then send a confirmation back to this remote. This remote will start beeping and blinking to let you know that it has locked, unlocked, or remote started. You get up to 3,000 feet of range with this. Compustar gives you a 2-year warranty on both remotes. At Sound Connection, when you purchase it from us, we actually upgrade that to a 3-year warranty. With this system and all two ways from Compustar, you also get drone mobile. So you can use your phone to lock, unlock, remote start. You can even do a full tracking system, and you can even check the temperature inside of your vehicle to know if you're ready to go out. So this will give you full communication. With Drone Mobile, you do get the first 30 days for free. You don't even have to put in a credit card, so you get to play with it and make sure that you like it. And then if it's something that you want to continue with, you can pay the subscription fees from there. So that's the 2WG18 with Drone Mobile from Compustar. So today I want to tell you guys a little bit about the behind the scenes parts of the remote car starter. The remotes are the cool flashy part, but this is the behind the scenes. This is the under the dash stuff that we do for you that you're never going to see. What I have in my hand here is the actual control module. This is the brain box for the remote car starter. And then in here, this little slider module here, this is our security interface. This is what helps us get past your key immobilizer systems on your vehicles. These are all of the wires needed on a remote car starter. This is what we hook up into your vehicle. Whenever we install a remote car starter, we're going underneath the dash and we're splicing in all of these wires. We're gonna bare back the insulation. We're gonna wrap it around. We're gonna solder it. We're gonna double black tape it and then Tessa tape over the top to keep everything neat and clean. Ran with all of your factory wiring to keep it out of sight as much as possible. Now, there's a great option that Compustar has released over the last few years, and that's what's called the integration harness. So this harness is made with OEM grade and style connectors. What this allows us to do is we can go into the vehicle, we can unplug the mating connector from your vehicle's BCM, plug it in here through this T-harness style system, and you can see all of these connectors that we have here to work with. And then what this does is it gives us an incredibly clean installation with cutting very minimal or splicing to very minimal wires. If this option is available for your car, we highly recommend getting one of these. It just keeps everything so neat and so clean. That's some of the behind the scenes stuff when it comes to remote car starters.